Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Upgrade or Trash IT. In this video we've got the Dell Latitude 3330 here. Done a lot of videos about this, and in this video I'm just going to reinstall Windows 10, but I have swapped out the SATA hard drive for a solid state drive. So I'm going to run a few tests on this solid state drive, and this test is all about does having a solid state drive, does it actually speed up the Windows installation? Right, so I'm going to turn on the Dell. Going to go into the one-time boot menu. And then I'm going to go for the flash drive. This is a bit of a scary screen, but it does, and it will correct itself, and the Windows logo will come up. So there we go. Begun to correct itself, and here's the proper screen. Okay, so this screen is all about languages, time and currency and keyboard, and they are set to the United Kingdom, which is perfect because that's where I am. Okay. So here I'm going to click on that I don't have a product key. This is the activation of Windows. Log on. I'm going to do Windows Home as I always do. Okay, these are the terms and conditions. Quickly speed through those. I'm going to do a custom install. You can see here, hopefully you can see here, this SSD has a it's 128 gigs. So I'm just going to delete that so that there's and then we can start the installation process. So as always, I'm going to switch the video off to stop you getting too bored. The files have been transferred from the USB stick onto the laptop, and we can see at the moment that it's at 0%. I'll just let that go to 1% so that we know, or even 2%, so that we know that it's working, and then I'll pause the video and come back when they're almost all installed. So here we can go, the files are at 95%. I've just checked my records, and with the old hard drive in, the installation took about 40 minutes. So it'll be interesting to see how it compares, if indeed it's any different. So we're just coming to the end of the first stage of the setup. And here we go, we're on to a restart. Sorry about the noise in the background. I've got the washing machine going just the other side of the door, and also one of my dogs has been barking whilst they're playing around. So in terms of the whole installation time, at the moment we're on about 8 minutes that it's taken. Okay, we're on the second restart here.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there.
Okay, so this is the stage where the voice assistant kicks in, which I'm just going to mute for now. So again, we're kind of deciding on the region again, and it's United Kingdom. United Kingdom keyboard, then I'm going to skip any other layouts. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video while I connect to my network. Okay, so that's sorted, so let's move on. Okay, so now I'm going to add my Microsoft account. And I should be getting a verification code through at any moment. Okay. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. The first part of this video would have been a bit of a blur, so I'm trying to refocus it for you. Okay, and also we had about a minute wasted there while I thought I'd plugged it in and was charging it, but obviously I wasn't, so it's not my day for being organised, is it? Okay, let's move on. So we've kind of lost possibly just about a minute there. Let me just quickly create a pin. Okay, and this is where we get to decide. This is all about what data you want to share. I'm just going to whip through these and put no for most of them, but you need to read them more carefully and stuff, and make sure that it suits your own situation. This part here is about if you're going to use the laptop and Windows 10 for mainly things like gaming or entertainment, or if you're going to use it as for creativity. And then it would automatically, if you selected one of those options, it would automatically set the laptop up in a certain way which would kind of enhance your experience of that. But I'm just going to skip it. Okay, I don't want this connecting with my phone at the moment. And I don't want any OneDrive stuff going on. Okay, they're offering me a trial of Microsoft 365. I'm going to decline. And I don't want their PC Game Pass either, so that's a no thanks. And I don't want to set up their voice assistant for now. So at the moment, in terms of total installation time, we are on about, well, we're on 18 minutes. And we're kind of in the home straight. The laptop's just got to do a few things, and then it should just show the desktop, and we'll see that installation is complete. Okay, so there we are. We are on exactly 20 minutes. In fact, if you took a minute off for the faffing I was doing about when the laptop died because I wasn't charging it, and also when I was refocusing the camera for the video, then we're actually on about 19 minutes. Now, when you think with the standard SATA hard drive in there, it was double that, it was 40 minutes. And with the SSD it becomes 20, so that's actually an incredible difference. And the SSD cost me about £11, so that would be about $13 or $14. And so yeah, so you spend $13 or $14 on an SSD and you can cut the installation of Windows 10 in half. Thank you for watching.